If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and share it so that more people can discover.
El churro is a real Mexican, isn't it?
Probably.
I'm involved in an accident. Second and Warren, I need medic.
مش قفتي تياتكو هواسد كجوبت ثم غاسر بدي من
Yeah, I'm getting car check. Yeah. Gonzalez.
Thank God.
My man. Our newest Team Riz member of the day. Okay, the time is 7:01. Let's